In this video, I will show you some entry points using this indicator. If you see the same entry point from it, you have to execute trades in the market. Being in short time frames, you have not really made a profit from it till date. So once you stop trading on short time frame, try using this strategy, and you will get great results. How to add the indicator in TradingView, I will tell you at the end of the video. The first thing we need to do is find the uptrend. You can see two green color lines here with a cloud of green color. Its green color means that the market is on uptrend. Let us know in which position we have to execute the buy trade. For this, we have to keep three things in mind. First, we will see. The line you can see here should be in the middle and should be of green color only. And second, you can see the Heikin-Ashi indicator at the top. It should be of green color. And after confirmation from all these indicators, you see here is another confirmation on the chart. We have get a breakout here, and all the indicator are giving a buy signal. We have a lot of confidence in the signal. So we can enter the market with a good volume amount. And once the trade is completely executed, we will set our stop loss below the Heikin-Ashi indicator. We will book our profit here, so whenever the market crosses the Heikin-Ashi indicator and comes down, we will book our profit there. Right now we will look at many more positions where you can execute your trades and make great profits from the market. You see the market went down very fast and then come up. The most important thing to note here is that whenever the market touches the bottom of the indicator and comes back up and creates a signal, we will absolutely execute the trade. So here we will execute our trade by set our stop loss on the Heikin-Ashi indicator. So we have made a lot of profit in the trade as well. Here we will book our profit as the closing is given below the Heikin-Ashi indicator. When you use this indicator, if any such signal is generated, you will make definitely trade in it and trade with very good volume. Then you will see that all the losses you have created till date will gradually recover. Here again, the market below the green cloud indicator, touching it, has come back up and created a signal. So we will set a stop loss for this trade on Heikin-Ashi indicator. For the first time, our stop loss is hit here, and when the stop loss is hit, how small the loss is, you can see here. If you execute 3 to 4 trades a week using this indicator, out of that, even if one trade happens on 2 trades loss, you will still make a profit. You see here after some time again the market has touched the bottom indicator and has come back up and created the signal. So we will execute our trade here again. As many times as the market creates such signals, we will trade on all those signals. As you can see here, all the indicators are giving a buy signal and we will set our stop loss here on the Heikin-Ashi indicator. So we have made a very good profit in this trade as well. So with this indicator, you can use it in another way which is a little easier. By using it, you may get a little less profit. In this, your stop loss will get bigger. As you can see here, all the indicator heads are made of red color, so it means the downtrend is about to start. Then you can cut your trade in it. Just your stop loss will get bigger here. If the stop loss is hit, then it becomes a bit difficult to recover the money. You can execute your trades like this when the trend changes and generate profit, but it becomes a bit too because many times there is a fake trend, and the signal is created, then it is very difficult to understand. So my advice would be that you do not use it this way. All the signals that I told you earlier, all those signals were absolutely genuine. You can generate 100% profit from it. You use the same. To get more signals, you open more charts and look at this chart 2 to 3 times every day, you will get the best signals. So let us now see how to install the indicator in TradingView. First of all, we have to search SSS in the search box of TradingView. And click on SSS option. Now our setup is ready. If you like the video, then don't forget to like and comment if you want more videos like. Thank you so much for watching the video.